Cash App recently had a data breach, and honestly, I was a bit concerned, so I decided to look into the situation a little bit more, but I found something pretty peculiar. It was a brand new Cash App glitch allowing people to make tens of thousands of dollars every single month, and I decided to share it to you guys because I want to make sure that everybody's able to feed their families. You can use this money on rent, bills, or even simple things such as a brand new pair of sneakers. Let's go. Hey guys, Shifter here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over the brand new Cash App glitch that is taking the world by storm. So many people are doing this, in fact, that Cash App stock has literally gone down. I'm not kidding, guys. The parent company that does own Cash App, which is going to be Block Incorporated, they also own Square as well, they are down by 3%, meaning that this glitch is pretty devastating, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to take advantage of it, but definitely act fast because this is not going to last forever. For this method to work, all you're going to need is a mobile phone. It is literally that simple. You can literally make money with your phone. So simply head over to the Google Play or App Store, depending if you're on Android or iOS, and download the app called Cash App. Once you guys have it installed, simply click on open, and you want to make sure that you're making a brand new account or this method will not work. Once you're making your account, it's going to ask you for a referral code. Simply type in the code that's going to be down in the description below. It's literally that easy to make money in 2024, and once you guys send $5 to a friend or family member, you're going to get $5 directly into your Cash App balance. Personally, this is one of my favorite methods because you can keep doing it over and over again. That's why I encourage you to make a brand new account so you see that secret option. But this won't be there forever because Cash App may be patching it very soon. Heading over to the second to left tab though, you can find the card option, and essentially this is going to allow you to get exclusive discounts on places such as Uber, Lyft, and even DoorDash. I was even able to get a 95% discount on Discord Nitro. That's why it's a no-brainer to sign up for Cash App, especially with the code, because you can keep doing this method over and over again and get the exclusive discounts. But I'm not done yet, guys. I have another method on how to get some completely free money. The next app I do want to talk about, it's going to be Chime, and you guys probably have heard about this, and just like Cash App, you will have to make a brand new account, but you need to make sure that you sign up with the link that's going to be down in the description below, because it's going to give you a free $100. Yes, you heard it here, a free $100 simply for signing up for Chime. Once you guys have signed up, you want to deposit $200 with a direct deposit. So it's actually very simple. I'll show you guys the steps. So once you are on the app, simply click the second to left tab, and you're going to see a section called direct deposit. Simply click on that, and it's going to ask you what type of direct deposit is it going to be, and you need to select payroll provider. And once you get a paycheck of $200, you will receive an extra $100 inside of your Chime bank account, making it very easy. You can use this with places such as DoorDash, Uber, Lyft, any of the gig economy. If you work at Walgreens, Walmart, it doesn't matter. You can actually get a free $100 right now simply by signing up with the link down in the description below. But this method is not going to be here forever, so I highly recommend acting fast. And you don't have anything to lose. It's pretty much free money. As long as you deposit in the first 45 days of creating your account, you are guaranteed that $100. So what are you waiting for? Simply make your direct deposit and claim your free money. But I'm not done yet. I have even more methods on how to get free money because everybody's been asking me, what if you are outside of the US? Because I just showed 2 US methods, but I'm going to show you another method on how you can make money in the UK, the UAE, and even India. The next app I do want to introduce you to is going to be Attapoll. Simply download it from the Google Play or App Store, and when you guys are signing up, type in the code dbfcm for free 50 cents. And this honestly is not life-changing money, but take a look at my balance. I already have $73 in there simply by doing silly little surveys this week, and they didn't take any time at all. This is one of my favorite money-making methods, and I recommend it to my subscribers because you can do it pretty much anywhere, on the train, maybe on your commute to work, or even while you're at school. Heading over to the surveys, they don't take any time at all, so let's go ahead and do this trial one real quick. What is your relationship status? Single. I am a C-level executive. Which color is snow? So this is what is called a speed trap. So they want to make sure that you are being attentive and making sure that you are answering the questions right. So obviously the right answer is going to be white, but if you selected pink, you would be disqualified from the surveys. And if you do that enough, they're going to eventually kick you out the app, which makes it honestly kind of difficult to get back on unless you have other numbers. But heading over to here, we're going to select white. How do you identify? Obviously, I identify as Black or African American. And just like that, we have made some quick and easy money, and the money is directly in your balance. What I love about this app as well is you can actually cash out directly to PayPal, and you can use this money pretty much wherever you want. So if you actually cash out to your Cash Card, it could be a complicated system, but you can actually get it directly on Cash App. You just have to go out and know your stuff, but the PayPal cash outs are pretty much instant. They have other things such as gift cards, and I do want to go to take a look at those. So if you click the cash out option, and I'm actually super happy because I just checked out the new update of the app, and it used to be only Walmart, Fanatics, ASOS, and just a bunch of boring gift cards, but now they have Uber, they have Hulu, they have all your favorites, Google Play, Starbucks, so you can be very, very diversified when it comes to it. But I do recommend using the PayPal option. They do have a charity option as well if you do want to cash out that way and actually help people, but I do recommend using the PayPal option, and you'll get your money pretty much instant. The gift cards can take about a couple of hours, but I haven't really tested the gift cards recently, so maybe they changed their processes. But overall, I will rate this app a 10 out of 10. A lot of my subscribers seem to like it, and you guys love signing up for it, and I'm happy to go ahead and see exactly what you guys are able to accomplish with the app. But just in case you forgot, head over to the far right tab. You're going to see a section that says enter invitational code. Type in the code dbfcm for a free 50 cents inside of your balance, no questions asked, and you can cash out at $3, so it's pretty much free money. And what are you guys waiting for? Hop on Attapoll today. For our next app, this is an app that I recommend quite consistently on the channel. It's going to be Eureka, and it's actually for good reason. It is yet again another paid survey app, and you can find it in the Google Play or App Store, but I've been using this quite consistently recently, so let's check it out. When you guys are signing up, head over to the middle tab, and as you can see, I already made $1,000 with this app, just proving that this app is legit. I made about $3,000 with Attapoll, so a lot of these apps can be some pretty lucrative side hustles. But head over to the middle tab, and you want to enter the code GUDW4I for a free $1 survey. It's pretty much free money. As you can see, I have $9 in my balance, which isn't a lot of money, but I can cash out to some awesome rewards such as Amazon gift cards, Visa. You also have Best Buy, you have Walgreens on here, you have like Google Play, Starbucks, Chili's, eBay, you guys name it. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can actually find the options for charities such as Make-A-Wish and whatnot. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this app, but I do recommend doing the PayPal option because the money is pretty much it. If you head over to the tab that says offers, you can also get paid to play games, which don't take any time at all. And if you guys are gaming already, you can actually make money. You would literally have to be some type of crazy YouTuber or some type of esports player in order to get paid to play games, but now they have opened up the opportunity for anybody. Heading over to the surveys tab, they don't take any time at all, which is one of my favorite things about the app, but the only downside I will say is their minimum cash out is going to be $5 compared to Attapoll's $3, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But if you're looking to go ahead and gain any substantial amounts of money, then I do recommend using both of them at the same time, because $3 and $5 minimums are not going to stop you when you're making hundreds. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and were able to get some free money from Cash App. There are so many ways in 2024 to make money, and there's no excuse to be broke. I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shift Rate Reviews. Bye.